Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to make an image fit to page in Google Docs. Let's get started. Insert the image, insert menu, image, upload from computer, select the image and open. Wrap the image, select the image first and go to image option and text wrapping in front of text, and now click the position, select the fixed position on page. Now increase the image size, wrap the image again, send to back and reduce the image size. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.